Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now we have to move for the additional settings, tap on the languages input, click to manage keyboards and select settings of the keyboard. Right now let's go for the theme, tap right here, and we can take one of the following picture. I take this one of Iris Allen. So drag it and position like you want, then click next, and here we are able to set up the transparency. So click done, tap apply, and right now when you are going to use our keyboard, for example in the messages, you will see that your theme has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.